Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a cinnamon pudding cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a pot over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup water, and a pinch of salt. Mix this mixture until it comes to the boil. Then lower the heat and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and set aside. Next is the cake. In a bowl with 2 cups of flour, add in 2½ teaspoons cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined, then set aside. In a bowl with 2 tablespoons of butter, mix until pale in color. Then add in 1 cup of sugar, and mix until light and fluffy. Add in the flour mixture in 3 batches. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and half of 1 cup of milk. Add the second batch of flour, then add the rest of the milk. Fold in the last batch of flour and mix until smooth. Spoon the batter into a baking tin and smooth out. Pour over the sauce and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Allow to cool for 15 to 20 minutes, then flip out onto a serving plate. If some get stuck at the bottom of the pan, just smooth it back onto the cake. Add a third cup of chopped pecans on top. Enjoy!